teaching English grammar on behalf of JT Academy, class 4th, chapter 2, nouns. Children, yesterday we learned about the abstract noun. I told you that abstract nouns are the name of things we can't see or touch, but we can hear, feel, and think of, such as music, love, anger, peace. Okay, this is called abstract noun. Okay, they are not made of any substance or material, and feelings are also abstract noun. Children, now we will solve the exercise. Let's start. Read the sentences given below and fill in the blanks. Children, first is Nina has a weakness for sweets. And in this exercise you are seeing two options: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. You have to find out the concrete nouns in the sentence and abstract nouns in the sentence. Okay? So Nina has a weakness for sweets. Nina has a weakness for sweets. What is concrete nouns? Children, concrete noun are the name of object we can see and touch. Okay? So Nina and sweets are concrete nouns. Okay? We will fill there Nina and sweets. And abstract noun is weakness. Children, qualities are called abstract nouns. Okay? The things that we cannot see or touch are abstract nouns. So abstract noun is weakness. We will fill there weakness. Next is his honesty is admired by people. Find out the concrete noun and abstract noun there. In the sentence, his honesty is admired by pupil. Children, here concrete noun is pupil. We will fill there pupil in the column of concrete noun. Pupil and honesty. We will fill honesty in the column of abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun is a quality we cannot see or touch. It is abstract noun, so we will fill honesty in the column of abstract noun. Pupil is concrete noun and honesty is abstract noun. Next is the dog is known for its loyalty. Find out the concrete noun and abstract noun. Children, dog is concrete noun. We can touch or we can see it. So dog is concrete noun. We will fill there dog in the column of concrete noun. And loyalty is abstract noun. Children, loyalty, it is a quality and we cannot see or touch it. So loyalty is abstract noun. We will fill in the column of abstract noun loyalty. So in this sentence, dog is concrete noun and loyalty is abstract noun. Next is the strength of the metal is known. The strength of the metal is known. So metal is here concrete noun and strength is abstract noun. Children, metal, we can hold it and we can see it. So metal is concrete noun. We will fill metal in the column of concrete noun. And strength. Strength is a quality we cannot see or touch. This is abstract noun, so we will fill strength in the column of abstract noun. Okay, metal is concrete noun and strength is abstract noun. Next is we are waiting for the arrival of the train. Find out the concrete nouns and abstract noun. Children, train. Train is a concrete noun because we can touch or hold it. We can see it. Train is concrete noun. We will fill train in the column of concrete noun. And arrival. Arrival is abstract noun. We will fill arrival in the column of abstract noun. Next is Mother Teresa was known for her kindness. Find out the concrete noun and abstract noun. Children, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is concrete noun. And kindness. Kindness is a quality we cannot see or touch it. So kindness is abstract noun. We will fill kindness in the column of abstract noun and Mother Teresa in the column of concrete noun. Mother Teresa is concrete noun and kindness is abstract noun. Okay. Next is hunger had made the beggar weak. Find out the concrete noun and abstract noun in this sentence. Beggar. Children, in Hindi we called it bhikari, beggar. So beggar is concrete noun because we can see it or we can touch it. So beggar we will fill in the column of concrete noun. And hunger. Hunger is a quality or feeling. So hunger is abstract noun. We cannot see or touch it. So hunger is abstract noun. Beggar is concrete noun and hunger is abstract noun. Next is Wayne was full of enthusiasm. Wayne. Children, Wayne is here concrete noun. Okay. Wayne is the name of a person. So Wayne is concrete noun and enthusiasm. Children, enthusiasm means zeal. Okay. Excitement. Excited for something. So enthusiasm is abstract noun in this sentence. Okay. We will fill ban in the column of concrete noun and enthusiasm in the column of abstract noun. Okay, ban is concrete noun and enthusiasm is abstract noun. Next is the judge announced the punishment. Find out the concrete and abstract noun in this sentence. Children, judge. Judge. Judge is concrete noun because we can see or touch it. So judge is concrete noun. We will fill judge in the column of concrete noun and abstract noun is punishment. Children, punishment we cannot see or touch it, so punishment is concrete noun. We will fill Judge in the column of concrete noun and punishment in the column of abstract noun. Judge is concrete noun, punishment is abstract noun. Next is the clown's antics caused much amusement. Children, clown's antics. Clown's antics is concrete noun because we can touch it, we can see it. So clown's antics is concrete noun. We will fill clown's antics in the column of concrete noun. And amusement. Amusement is abstract noun. We cannot see or touch it. So amusement is abstract noun in this sentence. Okay. Clown's antics is concrete nouns and amusement is abstract noun. This is all about today, and remaining exercises we will solve tomorrow. Thank you.